Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a website using WordPress app. I'll be logging with my Google account which I have already signed up before. You can create a new if you don't have one. Let's continue. First of all, I will show you my site, and this is advancederengineers.wordpress.com, and here I am using this website for giving codes to my YouTube subscribers. I'll be showing you how you can also make this kind of website. It's very simple and easy to use. Let's start. Here in this publish section, you'll be able to edit and create new blog posts. For example, I am having this fingerprint scanner blog. In this post I can edit this post, and from here I can write, I can add photographs, and if you want to add a new post, from here you can simply add hello. And let's publish. You can see which I have published in my WordPress website. Here it is showing. I'll take you to the main website now, how others will be seeing my website, and it is on the front page. Before that I have uploaded this fingerprint scanner in this post. You can see I have added an image, some codes which a user can copy from here, and my YouTube page links. You can also create this kind of website. It's very simple to use and edit, and obviously the UI it looks amazing, and there are a lot of themes and customizations you can do in this thing. It's very enjoying, guys. You can select themes from here. There are so many themes. And you can see the states as well, what is the status of your account, and total analytics will be here. I love this website, and this wordpress.com, it's very awesome, guys. You can share your website, and you can add more than one website. I am having this one which I have showed you just now, and you can add another WordPress site, or you can also host your own site. So this was in this video. Thanks for watching, guys.